Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to enable USB debugging mode on Samsung phone. First thing you do is open up your settings, then you scroll all the way down to developer options. Now if it doesn't have it by any chance, you tap to about phone and then you tap on software information and you tap on build number, you tap on until your developer mode is enabled, and when you're through you go back. And then that is if I repeat you don't have developers option, but if you already do, just simply tap on developers options and then you look for USB debugging. It is USB debugging, so if it's off you simply turn it on. It is intended for development purposes only. Use it to copy data between your computer and your device. You can also use it to install apps on your device with notifications and to read log data. Tap on OK. It's as simple as that. That is how to enable USB debugging mode on Samsung.